Good evening students, myself Raghavendra Singh. Welcome to Yep Master. So today's class we are going to discuss about Roman numbers. So previous class we have discussed about international place value system as well as Indian place value system, right? And I hope you must have liked the previous class and there might be no confusion in the previous class, okay? So the abbreviations might have helped you a lot of easily converting the units from international place value system to Indian or else Indian to international. I hope you have enjoyed a lot. So today's topic is about Roman numbers. So Roman numbers are also little bit confusing for some people, right? Not everyone, but during my teaching career, I have come across many students and parents complaining that sir, Roman numbers is confusing sir, and our children have lost marks because of that. Please see to it sir, they are able to understand. So I used to give my level best. I hope today's video also you will like it and share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe Yep Master if you are going to find this topic very interesting. Okay, please do share your feedback with us. Okay, so today's topic is all about Roman numbers. So one question I would like to raise, right? Why is that we should learn Roman numbers, right? Roman numbers, Indian place value system is also there, international is also there. Why is that we want Roman numerals? And it is the ancient one which was practiced by Roman peoples, right? Now why headaches, sir? Why Roman numbers? So Seema, Roman numbers are being used from ancient time. It was migrated from Rome to other parts of the world, right? But why exactly we need that? So there is some sort of confusion, right? So to avoid confusion, what sort of confusion? So see here, in law, especially Roman numbers are being used in books, publications. So there is a subject called CPC, which is Civil Procedure Code, or in our Indian law. So in that you will be having orders like this, like Rule 7, Order 2, Rule 36, Order 7. If I am going to write down 36, 7, there is sort of confusion, right? So to avoid that confusion, Roman numbers are being used. Don't worry, I'll elaborate the examples in the coming slides, okay? So the digits which we are being used in the Roman numbers are I, V and X, C, M or else K. But you might be remembering, see in the Indian place value system and international place value system, we are using digits from 1 to 9, sorry 0 to 9, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? But in Roman numerals, we are going to use these digits only, which are I, V, X, C and M. But how is that we are going to remember this letters? I mean, what value does C carry and what value does D have? Some sort of confusion, right? You need not memorize, students. Now see here, you might find a photograph of a cat. Now what has cat has to do with this Roman numerals? So see, I'll tell you, the abbreviation like we used in the previous class, the abbreviation my dear cat likes extra vitamins will help you out. Should I repeat again? Yeah. My dear cat likes extra vitamins. So I'll tell you, M stands for 1000, D stands for 500, C stands for 100, L stands for 50, X stands for 10 and I stands for, sorry, V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. There is no I here. So I and 1 are similar, right? So you can remember that. I'll come again with the abbreviation C. What is the abbreviation? The only digits which we are going to use are I, V, X, C, L, D and M, right? So the easiest way of remembering the Roman numerals is what? My dear cat likes extra vitamins, right? So the abbreviation, here it is. So M stands for 1000. So again confusion, right? Some people might think that they may interchange these values also. So to avoid that, first center part you remember the cost of the cat. Suppose you are, imagine that you want to bring this cat from a pet shop, okay? The cost of the kitten is 100 rupees. Remember like this, cost of the cat 100 rupees, okay? So we'll come again, my dear cat likes extra vitamins. So some people use K as well for 1000. So see, kilo, K stands for kilo, right? Kilo in kilo, 3 zeros are there. So some people use K as well. Okay. So the abbreviation is what ma? My dear cat likes extra vitamins. Okay. We'll go with the other slide. Okay. We are having what ma? The rule of remembering Roman numbers. Sir, rules again. There are rules of numbers not to be repeated. There are among that letters or digits we can call Roman digits like IV, XC. There are some Roman numerals which are to be repeated and which are not to be repeated, and there are some subtraction rules as well. So confusion, to avoid that confusion, we are going to use one more abbreviation, right? Can you see a doll here? Sorry, an image of a boy crying. Why is he crying? Let us name him Mohan. Mohan, right? So this guy belongs to 9th class. So 9th class Mohan. IXCM, 9th class Mohan. I repeat, Mohan, 9th class Mohan. So this guy fails 9th class for 3 times. 9th class Mohan fails 9th class for 3 times. So see here. Now coming to our rule of repetition and not repetition. So see guys, so I, X, C, M are the numbers which can be repeated 3 times. See, 3 times. The abbreviation says 9th class Mohan has failed 9th class 3 times. So what does it mean? I, X, C, M can be repeated 3 times ma. Okay, simple, right? What are the next numbers? VLD, not to be repeated, not to be repeated. Simple na? Is there anything which we need to mugify? No, nothing. Only 9th class Mohan fails 9th class 3 times. So see here, I will come again. I, X, C, M. 9th class Mohan. This guy is who? This guy's name is Mohan. Mohan. So we will write down Mohan. So Mohan Bhaiya fails. Mohan Bhaiya fails 9th class 3 times. So what are the numbers? I, X, C, M are to be repeated 3 times. Okay. What are the numbers which are not to be repeated? VLD. VLD are not to be repeated. See, symbol is never repeated more than 3 times. Okay. More than 3 times. Yeah. We can repeat only these letters, that too 3 times. And VLD are not to be repeated. VLD are not to be repeated. Okay. So we will come again. VLD are not to be repeated and I, X, C, M can be repeated. So V, L, D. No repetition for these letters. Simple na? Very simple, right? Now we will come back. We will go for the rules of subtraction. Now again confusion, right? Which number to be subtracted from which? Okay. And while doing calculations for this Roman numbers, like we are converting Roman numbers into Indian place value system or Indian place value system to Roman numbers. Okay. So that thing creates a lot of confusion for children. Okay. So to avoid that confusion, there is one more small logic I will teach you now. So see here, the rule says I can be subtracted from V and X, and the other rule says what ma? X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. Re baba, kya confusion hai? Confusion, right? So I will tell you how to remember this formula. So see here. So can you see here again 9th class Mohan, 9th class Mohan, IXC. Okay, and see here. Here we are having Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. Who is Chandrababu Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu is ex-CM of Andhra Pradesh. Ex-CM. See, 9th class. 9th class. Mohan belongs to 9th class, right? Write down IXC and Chandrababu Naidu. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, he is ex-CM. What are the numbers? VLD. Simple, right? I need not mug up all this. No, I will not mug up. So what is the abbreviation which we are going to remember so that we can remember the rules of subtraction in Roman numbers? First thing is what? First thing was what ma? 9th class Mohan. Things are to be repeated or what ma? 9th class Mohan fails 3 times. So IXC can be written 3 times. VLD is not to be repeated. So rules of subtraction is what ma? Rules of subtraction is nothing but first write down IXC and then in middle between you write down VLD and XCM. So I is to be subtracted from V and 10 only. I is to be subtracted from V and X only. Now next is what? X. x to be subtracted from L and C only. Yeah, L and C only. I x C. So C is to be subtracted from D and M only. Yeah. See, I have told the rule right without writing anything, just because of this pictures. I have recollected the picture in my mind and slowly I was telling you the rule. So see here, IXC, 9th class Mohan you write down, then VLD you write down, XCM. Okay, simple, right? There is no sort of rocket science to remember these rules, right? Simple, right? I'll come again. So first of all, IXC you write down, 9th class, Mohan belongs to 9th class. Between your XCM, only two things you need to remember, Mohan and Chandrababu Naidu for Roman numbers. So Chandrababu Naidu, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is XCM and 9th class. Between you write down VLD. Okay. So see here, what is the use of Roman numbers? Why exactly we should use it? I told you orally. Now let us elaborate it in the picture form. So see here, can you see a volume of books written here? So suppose, imagine that Supreme Court of India has given its judgment. So Supreme Court, there are some 20 to 30 courts. In that you will be having civil cases, criminal cases, and we got independence from 1947, and from 1947 1 month there are some thousands of cases. So 1947, 12 books. In 12 books, judgments of January, February, March, April, May, like that. So from 48 years judgment copy. Then 49 years, 12 months judgments. So creating hectic, right? So 1997 month of January judgment copies. So like that they are going to sort it out. You may understand, but some people may not understand, right? So this is the way of representing. So Roman numbers are going to help us in the judgment, publishing of the books, maximum, and in the representation of the clock. See, previously we used to have clocks like this also. You must have seen this also. Okay. Now coming back to this one, our conversions. So we will be writing Roman numerals for the following numbers. So see here, 14 is there, 78 is there, 54 is there, and 192 is there. Okay. How is that we can write down? So see here, can we use our abbreviation? My dear cat likes extra vitamins. C stands for 100. Finish. L likes. L stands for 50. And next is what, ma? Likes extra X 10 vitamins V, and I is for 1. So coming back to our rule. So hello, let us write down A. So 14, right? So I will split this 10 plus 4. Now one interesting technique I will tell you what people will do. I will write down X here. Can I write, instead of this 4, I can write like this? No, not at all. You are breaking the rule. See, what does our rule say? This part is wrong. This part is wrong because you cannot repeat. See, you cannot repeat. What does that Mohan says? 9th class Mohan says, I cannot repeat I more than 3 times. But here I am repeating it for 4 times. So this is wrong, right? So what is the solution for that? The solution for that is what, ma? So split this. I can write it like this, right? 1 minus 5, right? Now one more thing is, like, this is I V means what? A Roman numeral which is written in front of a smaller Roman numeral. So see here, this I is smaller Roman numeral which is written in front of a bigger Roman numeral. So I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. So this smaller Roman numeral is written in front of a bigger numeral. So I need to subtract 1 minus 5. So I have written this 4 as 1 minus 5. Now this 1 minus 5 I will write down. This is the correct way of representing. I hope you must have understood. So remember one more logic. If a smaller Roman numeral is written in front of a bigger Roman numeral like this one, so I need to subtract. If this I is being written after V, then it is 6. Don't worry, we will be writing Roman numerals from 1 to 100 so that this confusion will be erased. Okay. Now see, the next sum is 78. So, so 78, I will be splitting it as 70, 70. Can I write 70? No, there is no Roman numeral for 70. I have to split it in parts of this one. So, I will be writing 50, 10, 10 and 8. So, I will write this 50, 50 and then 10, 10, then 8. As I have told you, 70 is to be split 50, then 10, then 10, then 8, right. So, see here, 5 stands for V, I cannot write like this. So, 50 stands for L, so I will write down L. And 10 stands for X, see here, can you see it? Yeah. So, I will write down X, X. Is there any number specially for 8? No, it is not there. So, what is the solution which I can do? So, can I write it like this? V, see for this 8, for this 8, can I write it like this? V, 1, 2, 3. See, V stands for 5 and then 3 i's are there. Means what? A smaller Roman numeral number is written after a bigger Roman number, Roman numeral. So, it is 8, right? It is nothing but 5 plus 1 plus 1. So, it is 8. So, I will write down, instead of this 8, I will write down, okay. And see, shall we check it? Have we broke any Roman numbers rule? Yeah, X can be repeated 3 times, but we have used it 2 times only, and this i's are repeated 3 times. Have you broke any rule of Roman numerals? No, we have not. This is correct only. Please make a note of this one, right. What we were discussing, if a Roman numeral number was written in front of a bigger Roman numeral number, then we need to subtract, as we have done here in this 1 minus 5. And if we are writing a smaller Roman numeral number after a bigger Roman numeral, then we need to add, as we have done in this 8, okay. And what is the abbreviation which we have used? My dear cat likes extra vitamins, right. Cost of cat is 100 rupees, and repetition rules. What are the repetition rules? 9th class Mohan fails 3 times 9th standard. It means what? IXCM can be repeated 3 times. Numbers which are not to be repeated are nothing but what ma? VLD. So, we will be solving this C and D bit. So, see here, C bit says that 54. So, I will write down 50 plus 4, okay. So, is there any number specially for 54? No, I have to frame it using this my dear cat likes extra vitamins. So, 4 is it there specially for 4? No. Can I write down for 4, can I write down 4 i's together like this? No, I am breaking the rule. I am breaking this rule, because what does 9th class Mohan says? IXCM not to be repeated. This is wrong ma. This is wrong. I cannot write like this. So, I have to write this 4 as 1 minus 5, as we have done in the previous sum. 1 minus 5, okay. For 1 minus 5, what is the Roman numeral number? IV. For L directly, I need to write L. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the difference. So, for 4 I cannot write down 4 i's together, that is what many children do that. So, I cannot write. So, 9th class Mohan is going to help us out. So, here 4 times repeated, so I cannot write ma, 4 times it is being repeated, so I cannot write. So, I minus V, which is nothing but, sorry, IV, which is nothing but 4, okay. Now, solving the D bit. D bit states that, yeah, it is for the number 1 to 9. So, I have to split it 100, 10, 10. See, for the number 129, we have split 100, 10, 10 and 9. Is there any numeral for 129 exclusively? No, I need to frame from this my dear cat likes extra vitamins only. So I have split this 9. One more logic is there. Is there any number for 9? Is there any number among these numbers? See, check, my dear cat likes extra vitamin. There is no specific digit or Roman numerals exclusively for 9. But how to write 9? Can I write for 9 like this? So V and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again wrong, this is wrong. For 9 I cannot write like this. I cannot write like this because I am breaking the rule of that 9th class Mohan likes, sorry, 9th class Mohan fails 3 times, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. It is being written 4 times. So wrong it is, entirely wrong. So what is the solution for that? So what you will do for 9, see ma. So for 9 you will be writing 1 minus 10, okay. A Roman number, a smaller Roman number is being written in front of a bigger Roman number. So we need to subtract. If suppose I am going to write Ix means what? Ix means what? A smaller Roman numeral is being written in front of a bigger Roman number, means I need to subtract, means you should, by seeing this Ix, you should come to conclusion that I need to subtract I minus 10, that is 1 minus 10, okay. So instead of, in place of this 9, I am not going to write this 3, I am going to, now see here, I will be writing, C stands for cat, right. So for 100 I need to place C here and then X, right, I am done. For 9 what ma? Ix, okay, don't write V followed by 4 I's, okay, for 9 this one, okay. I hope you are able to understand. See, here 4 has confused us. See, 4 I's you cannot write. Again with V, 4 I's you cannot write, okay. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. You can pause the video if I am going fast, or else you didn't find sufficient time to note it down, okay. So what was the rule which we have recollected? My dear cat likes extra vitamins, 9th class Mohan fails 3 times, okay. So IXCM can be repeated 3 times, okay. Don't worry children, we are going to write Roman numbers from 1 to 100 for your better understanding. Trust me, throughout your life you are not going to forget it, okay. Now we will move on to the next slide, right. So they are telling us to convert into Hindu Arabic numerals, means what? They have given us Roman numerals, we need to write it in the Indian place value system or Hindu Arabic numerals. So first of all they have given XX, V and II. So what does this stand for? So my dear cat likes extra vitamins. So So 10, 10, 5. So see, this is 28. 10 plus 10, 20. 5 plus 3, 8. 28, right? Now see, B bit see. B bit is V, this one. So V stands for what? My dear cat likes extra vitamins. V stands for 5. So we will have a look. Yeah, understood now? V stands for 5. So V 5. I stands for plus 1 plus 1. So it is nothing but 7. Okay. I hope you are understanding. So see here, X, by using this abbreviation, my dear cat likes extra vitamins, cost of cat is 100. X stands for 10. So 10, 10, and then V stands for 5. Write down 1, 2, 3 because 3 I's are there. Okay. 28. We will give a gap of 2 to 3 seconds here. Okay. And then coming to V double I. So V stands for 5 and this is 1 plus 1 which is nothing but 7 ma. Okay. Now coming to C and D bit. What does this C says? L stands for what ma? L stands for 50, X stands for 10 and V stands for 5. My dear cat likes extra vitamins. So, write down L stands for 50, X stands for 10, V stands for 5. Okay? So, L stands for 50, X stands for 10, X stands for 10, again we are having V there. So, V stands for 5. Now, add ma. So, this is nothing but 75. See here, this part is 70. Okay, it is 75, right? I hope you are understanding the video, okay? My class, please share it with your friends and tell them about Yep Master. So, X, X, I, I. So, X stands for what ma? 10 and 10. So, write down 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 22, right? I hope you have understood, okay? So, the abbreviation my dear cat likes extra vitamins is going to help you out. Now, we will write down the Roman numeral numbers for 1 to 10, okay? So, see here, again 9th class Mohan has come. It means what? What does the rule say? IXCM has not to be repeated. Yeah, IXCM not to be repeated, sorry, is to be repeated 3 times. 9th class Mohan has failed 9th class 3 times. So, 3 times it can be repeated. And what is the subtraction rules ma? What is the subtraction rule? Again 9th class you write down VLD, XCM, okay? Remember these things. Now, see here, we will cross check whether it is correct or wrong. They are telling that I stands for I, 1, yeah, correct only. For 2C, they are using 3 I's, 2 I's, and for 3C here, 1, 2, 3, yeah, repeated, I is being repeated 3 times, I is being repeated 3 times. There is no Roman number rule breaking here, okay? I is being repeated 3 times, and for 4C here, what did I told you? For 4 I cannot write like this, for 4 I cannot write like this, this is gonna be wrong. So, for the solution for that one, what? 4 has to be written I minus 5 like this. So, which is nothing but IV, okay? Just because this rule cannot be broken, we are going for this one, okay? Now, we will go for 5th. So, V stands for 5. My dear cat likes extra vitamins. Yeah, V stands for. Now, see, now interesting part is 6. So, for 6, I have to write down 5 plus 1, right? So, I am writing V and I, means what? A Roman number is being written after a bigger Roman number. It means what? We need to add, That is what we are doing. For 7, see here, 7, for 7 they have written, see here, for 7 they have written 5, 1 plus 1. It can be written like this, right? For 7, 5, 1 plus 1. So, V, I plus I, right? That is what it is being written. Is there any breaking of rules? See, I can be repeated 2 times. V not to be repeated, VLD, see here, 9th class Mohan can be repeated, but VLD not to be repeated. VLD, has V been repeated? No, not repeated, correct only that is. Now see, 8th one, they have written for 8, so see here, for 8, 1 is being written 3 times, so 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So see here, let us check, have they broken any rule? VLD not to be repeated, only 1, yeah, VLD not, it has been, V has not been repeated. I can be repeated 3 times, yeah, I have written correct only, there is no breakage of rules. So coming to 9th one, 9th one can I write like this? I. See, I is being repeated 4 times, this is wrong, So what did I told you? I can write down 1 minus 10, which is nothing but Ix. So we will erase that. So this is wrong representation for 9, okay. So see here, so 1 minus 10 is what ma? Ix. So a Roman number is being written in front of a bigger Roman numeral number. So it means what? We need to subtract, okay. Now directly 10 stands for what ma? 10 stands for X only. I hope you have understood. So what is the logic which we have learnt? 9th class Mohan, it means what? IXC, IXCM can be repeated 3 times, VLD not to be repeated. So VLD not to be repeated, VLD only to be written only once, it cannot be repeated, and the subtraction rules of Roman numerals. So how is that we can remember? First write down 9th class, IXC and then VLD, XCM, what to remember? Only 2 characters, so that you can remember easily, Mohan, 9th class Mohan and Chandrababu Naidu, okay, XCM. These are the, it means what? I can be subtracted from V and X only, and X can be subtracted from L and C ma. So I can be subtracted from V and C, X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. I don't mug up things, I use abbreviations a lot, okay. These 2 characters I will write down in a rough paper and then I will solve it, okay. I hope you have enjoyed the today's class. We will be doing the Roman numerals from 11 to 100. So it will give you a clear idea of the writing of Roman numerals. So we will meet in the next class. Until then,